equally.
A solution A solution is formed. Different kind of solution are given below. Number one, solid dissolved in liquid. Example, sugar solution in which sugar is solid,
Oh,
water,
ho, ho.
and
No,
water.
no, 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 no. I don't want that as an answer. I am asking the definition of solution. Anas, you know the answer, beta? Raise
Definition
your.
of solution.
Yes, solution. What is solution?
What is solution? I can say, ma'am.
Yes, to say beta.
Okay. When two substances mixed together such that they are uh, evenly distributed.
Distributed, it is called a solution. Everyone got the answer?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. What is fracture?
What is?
Fracture. Apart from us, Anas, anyone else knows the answer? Raise your hand, whoever
What
knows
means?
the answer. Yes,
What means
Ruhan.
that from us?
Yes, who knows the answer? Raise your
And
hand.
repeat the question.
Huh?
Repeat the question.
What is a fracture?
Apart. Yeah, Malayali
Fracture.
water.
Answer, whoever knows.
Yeah,
Yes, answer
Yes,
the
answer the
question.
question.
Fracture. What is
मैम
a fracture?
मैम फ्रैक्चर का आंसर नहीं है मालूम
Yes, yes, answer.
नहीं आता मैम फ्रैक्चर
हमारे लेसन करवाओ
Hello,
मैं
mute your
लेसन करवा
mics. Mute your mics. Your background noise is coming.
A break
Yes,
or crack in the in a
yes.
bone is called
Uh,
fracture. It's
ve-
called fracture.
very good. Yes,
It
right.
is very important to not move the fractured part of cloth, sling, or a slip. Should immediately be tied around the fracture and hold it, and the person must be rushed to the hospital immediately.
Okay. What is a physical change? What is the physical change? What is a physical
क्या क्या क्या
change?
मैम
Yes, yes, Anas,
व्हाट इज द
answer the question.
फिजिकल चेंज फिजिकल चेंज yes yes physical change a change in which only the physical state of the substance changes and no new product is formed is called physical change.
Okay, very good. What is a chemical change? Apart from
What
Hassan,
is
anyone, Anas, anyone knows? Only Anas is
uh,
answering the questions.
कौन सा
Anyone
क्वेश्चन
else?
मैम
What is a chemical change?
what is chemical change इसका क्या आंसर था हम इसका नहीं याद
Uh,
आ
Chalo, Ruhan, anyone? What is the
solid,
chemical change?
liquid,
Yes,
and gas.
Reza. Yes, Reza. What is the chemical change?
Solid, liquid, and gas.
No, no, there are the states of matter. It is not a chemical change. I want you to answer me what is the chemical change?
मैम एग्जांपल दूं
हाँ एग्जाम्पल नहीं चाहिए मुझे मुझे डेफिनेशन चाहिए yes no one knows when a
no
substance is chemically changed that substance totally different from the new substance is formed. It is called the chemical change. You cannot recover the original substance back when you have a chemical change. Now you can answer the question example. Yes, Anas, give the example of a chemical change.
Example chemical change के.
Mm-hmm.
One हिंदी में बोले.
Yes, anyone else knows the example of chemical change? इसका मतलब है आप लोग कुछ नहीं करते हो घर पे. No reading is done.
I
Yes,
can
yes,
tell him. One water
yes.
and one water and ink is go in the water. Water
उसे
is
solution
also
कहते हैं. उसे chemical change नहीं कहता. I want you to answer me. What is a chemical change?
one chemical to second chemical
I want
will
you to give me the example. I just defined what is a chemical change.
Ma'am, can I say
Yes, say beta.
chemical change is formed when something different is added by something different. Like example,
Change of milk into curd is a chemical change. You cannot get back milk from the curd. It will remain curd only, right? That is called the chemical change. A new substance is formed.
yeah.
Yes, so that is called the chemical change. Okay, so you have to do this homework. You will have to write the definition of matter, solution, physical change, chemical change.
फिजिकल चेंज का तो मैंने बताया आंसर.
हाँ, तो भी आपको तो आपने जो आंसर
मैटर
दिया ना वो रीड करके दिया था, है ना? तो आपको
मैटर
सब
फिजिकल
लिखना है.
चेंज में दूसरा
रिवीजन करने के लिए सब लिखना पड़ता है. और यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू क्वेश्चन मी बैक, ओके? व्हाट
मैम
आई से यू विल हैव टू डू. यू गॉट दैट?
कौन सा पॉइंट पे लिखना है?
यस.
फिर
मैम और
मैटर
क्वेश्चन पूछो ना.
सॉल्यूशन
मैटर,
मैम
सॉल्यूशन,
और
फिजिकल
क्वेश्चन
चेंज
पूछो
और
ना.
केमिकल चेंज के हाँ, पूछ ही रही हूँ. पहले ये सब आपको लिखना है, ठीक है? आई वॉन्ट यू टू बी थरो विथ दिस.
ओके.
ओके? ओके.
ओके.
So now we are going to start with choose the correct option.
मैं
I am
अभी
going
लिखने
to.
हैं डिफाइन ये होमवर्क में.
Which of these would you use in case of cut or a wound? I am giving you the options. A sling cloth, a splint, a gauze or a bandage, or paste of baking soda. Which one would you use, beta?
पेस्ट ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा.
bandage,
पेस्ट
bandage,
ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा.
bandage.
पेस्ट ऑफ
Gauze and
बेकिंग सोडा.
yes, gauze and bandage is the right answer, not paste of baking soda. Okay?
The baking soda.
No, baking soda is the wrong answer. Gauze and bandage is the right answer.
Then
Yes?
the next
Okay.
question.
Next question. Which of these would cause burns? Fire and hot liquid, friction from clothes, chemicals, or all of these? Yes, Anas, answer the
Friction
question.
for cloth.
All of this.
Friction for cloth.
All
All
of
of
this.
this.
All
All
of these
of
is
this.
the right answer. Yes, all of this is the right answer. In case of nosebleed, the person should, I am giving you the option, sit with head tilted down, sit with head tilted up, lie down on stomach, lie down on back. Yes,
Sit
yes,
with
Sit with
Sujata.
head
the head
down.
tightened
Sit
down.
with head down.
Sit with the head tightened down.
Tilted down. Okay. Which of these is an example of chemical change? Tearing of paper, melting of glacier, Ripening of fruit or breaking of
Ripening of
glass.
fruit. Ripening of
Yes.
fruit.
Yes, right. Yes, right. Okay, next question. Heating a substance causes it to options become smaller,
Expand.
expand. Yes. So what will happen if a substance is cooled?
Expand.
कूल करने पर भी एक्सपांड होगा?
नहीं
Yes, ma'am.
हीट करने पर भी एक्सपांड होता है और कूल करने पर भी एक्सपांड होता है.
करना पड़ेगा
Ma'am,
expand.
आंसर में expand ही आएगा.
What happens when a substance is cooled? It will become smaller, stay the same, contract या expand.
तो मैम तो आंसर expand है.
Stay the same.
Contract. No, it will contract.
मैम
Yes,
मैंने
when the
कॉन्टेक्ट
substance.
बोला था.
Okay बेटा. अच्छा, अभी आपको देने हैं examples. You will have to give 2 examples of matter. Give me 2 examples of matter. Yes, Pochani Muhammad, you have raised your hand, and someone who is name here written ATBN. Who is it?
Ma'am, I can say
Yes, Anas, give the answer.
air, water.
Air and water is the right answer, but you don't have to give me like that. Matters are liquid, solid and gaseous. So you will have to write liquid and solid or gases. ठीक है? The right answer is solid liquid. You can write, and 2 examples of matter are to be given. अच्छा, what are miscible liquids?
Milk, lemon juice.
That is an example of miscible liquid. I want you give me the definition of miscible liquid.
Mystical liquids.
The water and the milk into lemon and the
Lemon
No,
juice.
you all of you will not answer at once. Mute your mics, beta. Don't answer at once. Okay, Ruhan, answer the question, beta.
water and milk.
No, listen, beta. I want the definition of miscible liquids. किस लिक्विड्स को हम मिसिबल कह सकते हैं?
नहीं आया है.
यस नूरुल अब्बास. यस नूरुल अब्बास,
नींबू डालो तो वो नींबू नहीं दिखता है.
बेटा मैं पूछ रही हूँ, उसका समझ में नहीं आ रहा है आपको? मैंने कहा कि मिसिबल लिक्विड्स किसे कहते हैं? डॉज लिक्विड्स दैट डिसॉल्व कंप्लीटली इन वाटर. मिसिबल बोला है, MISCIBLE, मिसिबल.
Milk, lemon juice.
इनमिसिबल का पता है.
हाँ तो बोलो इनमिसिबल का बोलो.
वो भी नहीं पता. हम लोग वाटर में डाल देना. वाटर में डाल
So again you will mute your mics and listen to me. Anas, mute your mic.
Okay.
Anas, mute your mic. Yes, now listen to me. You will write miscible, immiscible liquids, physical change, chemical change, fracture, first aid. All these definitions I want you to write. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only Anas can hear. No one else can hear. Otherwise, all will speak at once. No one else can hear? Yes, okay. So, okay, beta. Now we'll come to give one word for. So, the first question is any substance that has mass and which occupies space is called?
Matter.
Yes, matter is the right answer. Very good, Anas. Yes, right. Changing of liquid into gaseous form. Changing of liquid. Yes, right.
Evaporation.
So what will you do when a person is wounded severely? When someone
क्या
is
मैम?
severely yes ma'am, yes beta, answer. Yes, answer beta.
क्या मैम? क्वेश्चन बोलो मैम।
Yes, answer beta.
क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन बोलो मैम।
Yes, Anas, answer the question. What will you do when a person
मैम
is
क्वेश्चन
severely
तो
wounded?
बोलो।
Yes, Ruhan, you answer beta.
मैम क्वेश्चन।
Ma'am, he's saying, give me first question.
What will you do when a person is severely wounded?
ऐसा मैम ऐसा तो हमने याद नहीं किया था।
तो आपने कुछ भी याद नहीं किया है।
क्या?
याद ही नहीं किया है ना। थर्ड और फोर्थ चैप्टर मैंने रिवाइज भी करवा दिया है, फिर भी आप लोगों ने कुछ नहीं किया है उसमें से, राइट? क्या कर रहे हो आप?
इतने सारे आंसर तो मैंने दिए हैं।
फिर से रिवाइज करवा दो ना मैम।
तो रिवाइज ही करवा रही हूँ, इसलिए क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ ना बेटा।
आंसर ही नहीं पता तो टेस्ट हो गई ना।
हाँ, तो मैं आंसर बता दूंगी, ठीक है? तो व्हेन अ पर्सन इज
मैम
सीवियरली
लेसन ही समझ नहीं
फर्स्ट थिंग
आया।
यू हैव टू डू
स्क्रीन शेयर
इज
करके करो ना मैम। स्क्रीन शेयर करके।
ओके ओके बेटा, ओके। So wait a minute, okay? I will share the screen.
तो स्क्रीन शेयर करके क्वेश्चंस पूछोगे?
हाँ नहीं, वो आंसर भी बता दूंगी ताकि आपका वापस रिवाइज हो जाए, क्योंकि किसी ने कुछ किया नहीं है ना अभी तक।
मैंने तो मैम करा था मोहम्मद अनस।
हाँ ओके, ठीक है। चलो अभी मैं आपको स्क्रीन शेयर करके दिखाती हूँ, ठीक है?
ओके। મજા આવી ગઈ ક્યાં ટેસ્ટ લેવામાં?
हाँ हाँ मजा આવી ગઈ। વધારે ન બોલ દો, ઘરમાં અંદર આવી મારીશ।
મને તો માન દિમાગમાં આન્સર આવતા હતા, બોલ।
તો મને અત્યારે હું બોલો તો ત્યાં તું બોલી જાઓ ને। તમે કોપી કહેતા।
ઈ તો અલ્લાહનો શુકર છે।
સાચી વાત। વધારે બોલી જાઓ મને તો ભાઈ કઈ બતા દે। એ તારી પહેલા દેશમાં તો જાતા બોક્સ જ આવી ગયું। હે? પહેલા દેશમાં જા ખાલી બોક્સ જ આવી ગયું તો ખરી। નિરુલ તો કરતું આદર્શમાં કેમાં આદર્શમાં? હા હો આદર્શમાં નહીં અપડેટ આવી।
Everyone can see their screens now?
No. मैम ठीक से नहीं है। क्या? क्यों आए?
Okay, now you can. All accidents are caused by fires. Is it true or false?
False.
क्या?
Okay, so listen now. You people read. Anas, read. You start reading.
ओके मैम। मैम टू फर्स्ट रीड करना है।
ट्रू और फॉल्स, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स तो मैंने करवा दिए हैं। अभी ट्रू और फॉल्स
हाँ
रीड करो, चलो।
ओके मैम। राइट T or the true and F or false statement. Number one.
We should use pen.
Apart from Anas, everyone else mute the mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Anas,
All
read.
accidents are caused by fire. It is a false. In case of
False.
fire caused by electric faults, we should use scent. Yes, it is
True.
true.
નાનો આમ તો કહેવાય જ હાલે મોટો ન થતો.
Fire from petrol is put out using water. Answer is
False.
મેમ પીડીએફ है ही नहीं.
number 4.
Yes,
Most,
read beta Anas.
most cuts and scratches nib need antiseptic ointments
Antiseptic
and
ointments.
antiseptic ointment to be applied on them or a few days. It is called true.
True.
All
True.
True. False.
yes.
It is the true statement. Okay, chalo.
True.
Number
इसके
5.
बाद false.
What need
All
to
fractured.
put under cold running water?
Number 5.
False.
सब बोल रहे हैं हम लोग.
Oh,
Number 5. All fractured bones need to be put under cool running water. It is false.
False.
okay. Okay, who else? Who else will read now?
Remind.
My
Yes, Dayan, read beta. Mohammad Ruhan, read. Yes, Mohammad Ruhan will read. Others will mute their mics. Mute your mics, beta.
Which of these can cause a fire? All of these.
Yes, right.
Which of these would you use in case of a cut or wound? Cut and bandage.
Right.
Which of these called crushed bones? Fire and hot liquid, friction or for clothes, chemicals, or all of these.
Yes.
In case of nosebleed, the person should sit with the head titled down, sit with the head titled up, knee down on the stomach, knee down to the back. Number 8.
Yes, right. Number 5.
Number 5. Which part of the body is injured in case of sprain? Bone, muscle, tendon, ligament.
Yes.
Tendon.
Which part? Tendon. Yes.
Tendon.
In case of
Number
a
6.
snake bite, the person should be positioned should that the bite lies below the heart level.
Below the heart level.
Which
So
of
when a
these
person is having a snake
caused
bite,
by animal bite? Rabbit. Rabbit.
yes, right.
Number 8. Which of these would you use in these things? A paste of baking soda, vinegar, lemon juice, or running water. A paste of baking soda.
Very, very good. Very good. Okay, who else will read now? This
Ma'am, I
match
can
A with
read.
B. Match
can
A
read.
with B. Yes, match A
I
with
can
B is
read.
your
Nurul.
homework. Okay, now we'll come to very short question answers.
I can read.
Listen, you give me your names. You say your names. I will say the yes. Muhammad Hassan, read beta. Muhammad Hassan. Everyone else, mute your mind.
Very short question and answer. Two examples for the following. Uses of fire. Gas leak, electrical fault.
Fault.
Second, things
Electric
to
fault.
do, electric fault. Second, things to do during a gas leak. Open door and window. Do not strike. Matchstick. Hey, Biju. Third, ways to avoid fire. PG, shortage, Page number 38.
Yes, it is given
Page
in
number
page
38,
number 38. Yes, in your textbook you can open it and read it, beta. You can open your textbook and read it.
टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है, टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है मैम।
मैम मेरे
आपके पास
पास है।
टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है? हाँ, जिसके पास है वो रीड करो बेटा।
मैम लेकिन
हमारे पास नहीं है।
हम लोग को पता कैसे चले कि वो आंसर लिक्विड और सॉलिड जैसे लिखे।
उसमें लिखा है वेज टू अवॉइड फायर, हेडिंग है बेटा।
यस तो वो था पेज नंबर 38 ना।
यस,
तो एग्जाम में भी यही लिखा रहेगा क्या मैम? पेज नंबर 38।
मैम फायर हजार
यस, यस,
फायर हजार मैस्टिक,
4000 और मैथ
things to
Yes.
do in case someone catches fog, roll on the floor,
roll on the floor cover with the
cover with the
thick
Yes.
blanket.
ways to put out fire, air
Fire
extinguisher,
extinguisher,
very stand।
very stand.
हो
ओके।
गया मैम।
मैम रूहान
Okay,
के बारे में
number
कोई
4.
बोलता है तो उसको बहुत गुस्सा आता है और वो खुद
ले ले ले
दूसरे के बारे
मैम
में
आपने
बोलता है।
बोल रहा था।
हाँ,
हमारी बारी में तो
अब
बोल
कोई
सकते
किसी
हैं
की
ना।
बारी में नहीं बोलेगा, जिसको कहा गया है वही बोलेगा, ठीक है? समझ में आया
हम है ना
सबको?
कि सबकी टर्न में बोल रहे हैं, उसकी टर्न में हम लोग बोले तो बोलता है कि नहीं बोलो नहीं
हाँ, तो
बोलो।
अनस यू विल नॉट स्पीक लाइक दैट, ओके बेटा? ओके, नंबर 4।
मैम मेरी टर्न आती है जब भी मैं बोलता हूँ।
हाँ, तो तुम दूसरा। ओके, ओके, नाउ म्यूट योर माइंड mics and number 4 who was reading? Hassan?
यस मैम।
Yes, read बेटा
सेकंड
further.
वाला मैम फिर से वही ना।
Hello.
यस मैम।
Things to do in case someone catches fire: roll on the floor or cover with blanket.
हाँ मैम है। roll
Number
on the
4,
floor and cover। नंबर 4,
cover. हाँ, और या तो
things
cover
to
with
do in
blanket.
case someone catches fire,
Catches
roll
fire.
on the floor, cover with a hair blanket, ways
Yes, right.
ways to
Wait.
put out fire, air extinguisher, valley
Fire
sand,
extinguisher, water
fire
or sand.
extinguisher,
This can be
water or
used,
sand,
हाँ, तो हम लोग जब
put
हमें
out fire,
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से फायर लगता है तो हम क्या करेंगे बेटा?
sand की यूजिंग, sand डालेंगे
हाँ,
उस पर।
सेंड
नहीं,
इलेक्ट्रिक में
अच्छा,
sand
और
नहीं
पेट्रोल पंप में? हाँ, पेट्रोल पंप में।
sand,
यस, राइट,
सेंड
ऐसे आग लगी
राइट,
होती
राइट, एवरी।
है।
So you are all not prepared today for test. So I'll take the next lecture also for test. Okay, बेटा?
अनास और मोहम्मद हसन कहते हैं सबके टन में माल कौन ही रखते हैं मैम। ये अनास है ना सबके टन में
Next.
माल कौन रखता है क्योंकि हम लोग बोले ना
अच्छा,
ऐसा।
अच्छा,
हम लोग बोलते नहीं है ना
हाँ,
मैम।
हाँ, तो listen
हम
everyone,
नहीं
listen.
रखते
So
हैं।
I will not see, listen. See, next lecture I will only share the screen which I have written the test, and you will also have to share your screen with your test answers. Okay, beta?
ओके मैम। मैम मेरा भी सुन लो ना।
हाँ, बोलो।
क्वेश्चन वो क्या
Yes,
बोलते हैं,
yes.
ये इसकी
वो-
पीडीएफ भेजी है आपने जो पढ़ा रहे हो?
हाँ, हाँ, वो सब भेज दिया है बेटा।
मैम है तो नहीं ग्रुप में।
तो आप
मैम
किसी से ले लो बेटा।
कोई
आपकी
पाएगा
स्क्रीन
क्या?
नहीं दिख रही है मैम।
हेलो, ग्रुप में नहीं है तो आप लिंक कैसे, आप यहाँ पे लेक्चर में कैसे आ सकते हैं? लिंक ही नहीं है तो आपके पास।
नहीं मैम, ग्रुप में तो हूँ पर है ना केवल पीडीएफ ग्रुप में नहीं आई है।
ग्रुप में भेज दी गई है। अगर आपके पास फिर भी नहीं है तो मैं वापस
मैम
भेज
ना
दूंगी।
अंतर अंतर तो है इसमें तो।
है ना?
जय
हाँ,
मैम,
सबको है।
गुड
सबको सब मिल गया है ना बेटा?
गुड मॉर्निंग।
मैम ये लिखना ही था फेसबुक में।
हाँ, फिर से मत बोलना मैम, थोड़ा ऊपर
हाँ।
करें ना तो यही मैम झूठ बोल रहा है। मैम
ए अनस,
हाँ
हमारी जो मैथ्स नोट
ओके बेटा।
बोल इंसान